Hello, everyone. I've called you here today for two reasons. First, to acknowledge the hard work you've done over the past 3 years and how far we've come due to your dedication to our students and their learning. And secondly, how we're going to be moving forward and why we're going to be using PLCs and data in order to move forward and grow as a school. So first, again, I want to acknowledge that we started off, instead of building a school, by unpacking boxes into empty classrooms, as ours had been destroyed by a flood. And you were able to do that and create inviting and learning environments, and also decide that project-based learning was going to be our curricular focus. Since then, we have successfully had 5 student showcases and seen tremendous growth on behalf of our students and their abilities to share their learning with the public. But we still have some more figurative boxes to unpack, and specifically these are academic ones. So moving forward, we are going to be using data to help inform our instruction. And what type of data we use and how we use it is going to be decided by you in grade level PLCs, or professional learning communities. So I'm going to be dedicating ongoing time to PLC work so that in your grade level teams you can use data to identify 3 measures. 1, what standards students will be learning. 2, how you'll know what your students are learning. And 3, how to respond, engage, and support students who are high performers, such as James and Addie. So how do we keep them engaged and continue to get them to grow? And how do we do that with low performers like Haven and Cisco? So how can we better support them? How can we better identify where they're struggling and meet their needs in order to get them to grow as well? And my role in this is going to be to support you in any way I can, and to clear the path of obstacles in order to make this time meaningful, not only for us, but for our students, so that we can better gauge how they're learning and what they're learning, in order to make sure that our diploma is a symbol of that learning and that will take them through many doors of opportunity, whether it be in education, furthering their education, or in a career once they leave our school. Thank you very much.